Yes. So I'm going to show the candy. It's just, I'm not. It's just going to be so much fun. And I am currently filming on my mom's phone because mine is dead at home. So I'm just so excited, and I'll show y'all when I get to throw candy at people. I think I'm gonna eat one. Okay, I'm about to throw candy and I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Cancel. Low battery thing. Hold on, y'all. I'm about to throw. Hold on. This is a dentist's worst nightmare. ¡Ay, santo Dios!
Ay, pinche chiquilla.
I'm falling, y'all. Ya casi me caigo. Ah. Yo, there's some kids kicking like the balloons. So I'm gonna film later. Hold on. Okay. Nobody else is like kicking it. So y'all, here comes good luck. This is fun. Okay. Like we're almost out of time, but like 1 out. I'm just going to record. Okay, wait, y'all. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yay.